uphill over vast distances. But if we ignore nature and take too much water for our own use, it can end up in a disaster. Like here, where our aggressive use of water unleashed forces beyond our control and caused one of the worst environmental disasters ever wrought by man. Just decades ago, Monyak, Uzbekistan was the principal harbor on the fourth largest freshwater lake on Earth. So large they called it a sea. But today, the local kids here have never even seen the water. What remains of the lake lies 100 miles from here.
Aral Sea, Uzbekistan.
The Aral Sea was half the size of England. A fleet of fishing ships hauled around 10,000 tons of fish from its waters every year.